Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can pin tabs in the Midori Web Browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Midori Web Browser, for example, on your desktop computer. And let me explain what the difference is between pinning a tab and also bookmarking a tab. So you can do both. If you, for example, navigate to that example page here. If you right click into the given tab, you will see both options, pin tab and also bookmark tab. If you bookmark the tab, it will be added by clicking into save here. It will be added to your list of bookmark sites here. And that's basically it. So you can navigate to the given site, bookmarked here, and saved in that list. Pinning a tab, however, is something different. If you right click into it and select it, the given tab will be added or moved to the very left side here. And basically, it will be moved there so that you can access it from there as an open tab. But once you close the given workspace here in the Midori Web Browser, these tabs will all disappear, including the pin tab. But your bookmarked sites will not disappear. They will be safe within your profile. So that's the difference, guys. To unpin the given tab, simply right click into it and select this option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.